Hi everybody. Now dtantric is a video channel, YouTube video channel where you will find videos about management related topics which has been conceptualized and designed for educating students who have enrolled for various management degrees in colleges across the country. The channel will be posting various videos on topics related to management from time to time, which should be helpful for students in understanding the topics. This is just an introduction video for dtantric. Now dtantric is an idea which is conceptualized due to the ongoing scenario of COVID pandemic, due to which students have been forced to undergo their studies onto the online platform. We find that many colleges have been taking up classes online where students are not interacting with their tutors on a live or face-to-face basis. We understand that the online education system has its own merits and demerits. Of late, we find students have been complaining about different kind of strain and stress they undergo due to the online educational system, where they continuously are engaging with screens on mobile devices. But on the other hand, the online education system is giving access to students who don't have access to be engaged in schools or colleges for the purpose of formal education. So in turn, the system, even though is in its budding stage, is a revolutionary idea of bringing in students closer to the subjects from the convenience of their homes. So dtantric is an online concept or online educational system or online educational technology portal where you will find content which is related to management related topics, which should be helpful for students in engaging and supporting their existing educational modules or courses. So on this note, our channel dtantric will be posting videos on short topics, very short videos on specific topics from time to time, where students can engage in different medium. They can like, share and comment their opinions and their view about the topic. Also can engage with the tutor live. A small introduction about myself. My name is Kiranjit. I've been working with many multinational companies as a business development representative on the field, pushing forward the sales and supporting the business development of the products and services. I have qualified UGC NET in management and have an experience of teaching to students in education institutions. So this is just a basic introduction about what the channel will be about and how it will be helpful to students in management and related topics. At any point of given time, you may like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment about how the channel can be improved, so that it can aid the development of your management knowledge. Thank you.